The Indian shipping giant with an exceptional track record, Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited. GE Shipping, predominantly into transportation under shipping, it's also involved in offshore support to oil companies. GE Shipping caters to global market in shipping. It carries oil, gas, coal, minerals, among others. It has offshore presence as a service provider. It serves oil companies on their exploration and production. A strong and substantial aggregate holding by FPIs and mutual funds, and it exceeds holding of promoters by far. The company has a shipping fleet of huge size and capacity. It commands attractive freight rates, particularly in transporting LPG and dry bulk cargo. A majority of its contracts are on spot basis, which is the major reason for better freight rates and higher profits, of course, with volatility and risk. GE Shipping has the most modern offshore fleet, fetching the company a competitive edge in the market. Shipping is the front runner with a lion's share in the revenue of the company. It contributes a major share in profits. Share of offshore in the profit mix is quite low and fluctuating. Core strength of GE Shipping is operating leverage, helping it generate massive operational surplus, which has helped the company to build up huge cash balance after incurring the routine capital expenditure. Cash pile is awaiting investment opportunities at the right price. Worth noting, during the last 2 financial years, manifold increase in profits, resulting in a strong return on equity. Company's payout policy has been quite generous and stable. As a result, to the investors, rewarding returns at an attractive yield of more than 3%. Company's net worth has almost doubled during the last 5 years. Reason is voluminous flowback, and in the meanwhile, debt has been redeemed constantly, and the minimal residual debt indicates great potential for borrowing for any of its future capex requirements. Financially, the company is on a solid footing. Q2 of FY25 had a setback, largely from muted revenue growth caused by weak economic activity and poor oil demand, particularly from China. Year on year, incremental revenue failed to keep pace with incremental expenses, bringing the PBT percentage down by almost 6% from a level of 48.4 to 42.5. GE Shipping has had a low PE multiple historically, but on the strength of exceptional performance in quarter of March 24 and June 24, the PE multiple moved up from the regular level of 4.8 and reached a peak of 6.1 during June quarter, but the fall in Q2 FY25 had its disastrous impact on the share price, and the price has fallen. Interestingly, The price action data suggests the price fall was not supported by volume. That is the silver lining, in addition to the PE multiple being quite attractive. Over the last 12 months, the share return from the market has been negative, and there has been a fall of almost 38% off 52-week high. Positive sign is the triangular base holding the share price, and on a weekly chart the share price is sliding below 100 EMA, and that is a matter of concern. Core strength of GE Shipping is relatively young and well diversified fleet, strong processes for monitoring and control of fleet profitability. It has a prudent mechanism in a highly cyclical industry. GE Shipping has plans to diversify into container shipping. The segment has limited Indian competition. It has potential opportunity in coastal shipping between Indian ports more efficiently, but it requires significant investment in vessels and infrastructure. With continued ban on Russian oil, higher demand for tankers from China and Asia, bulk segment is looking up with rising iron ore and coal demand in China. Q4 has the advantage of higher demand from winter. With US oil production moving up, demand for shipping is on the rise. Warfares in the Middle East subside with change in US presidency. That is comforting for the sector. Strong multiple positives: global operation, modern fleet with premium pricing, benefits of massive operations and minimal debt. Cyclical and volatile industry is a matter of high risk and concern. Hope you found this presentation on GE Shipping interesting and useful. I am Vittal Prabhu with the fortnightly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access videos with similar content at our info card on Stock Learning Simplified. We await eagerly your response and comments. If you are new to the channel, may kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.